you don't actually need a job. You just need to get it started. Okay? You don't need a job. You need you just need to start. Okay? What I mean by you don't need a job and you need to get started. Because you don't need a permission. You don't need to be ready. You don't need to have a perfect time. You just need to start. A lot of people out there, they tell you don't have a niche, you don't have purpose in life. But the thing is, a lot of people waiting for a perfect time. And if this sentence made you uncomfortable, this video is for you, and I believe really is for you. Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? Have you ever dreamed about starting a channel? Have you ever started with to get into content creation kind of industry or something like that, but you feel completely overwhelmed by where to get it started? But in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to get started on YouTube channel and how to start online business. I mean, if you want more freedom, more money, and even more control over time. But every path, it feels like confusing, expensive, and it's out of reach, to be fair. Maybe you've been told that I need more money to get started. I need a better equipment, better cameras, and even better equipment that you need to get started. And you need to learn more, and you need a real job. You need to learn courses over there. But let me tell you something. A lot of people out there, content creators, if you want to start a business from scratch, you want to start a personal brand, here's a thing that no one tells you, okay? I would say you don't actually need a job. What I mean by you don't need a job, I mean, on this side, of course, we all need jobs to live on and to keep our life going. But what I mean by you don't need a job, I mean, if you start a YouTube channel from now, let's say 5 years later, 3 years later, 2 years later, 1 year later, 6 months later, everyone's journey is quite different. But I can't really guarantee how many years it takes for you to earn money on YouTube and to start living the life that you want. But everyone's journey is different from person to person. Let's say, for example, for me, I've been posting on YouTube roughly about a year now, and I've even haven't reached 1,000 subscribers yet. But I come across people who they have been on YouTube for about 6 months, and they already get monetized, and they already reach thousands of followers, thousands of subscribers. And I believe that this means that everyone's journey is different, and every successful creator, entrepreneur, or even business owner you admire, they didn't just start with clarity. They start with confusion, and then they start with confidence, and then curiosity. And they didn't just wait to be ready for perfect time. They started before they felt today. If you about to start YouTube, you want to start a social media content creation, you don't need a niche, okay? A lot of people tells you that you need to have a niche to get started on YouTube. You need to have a better camera, a better microphone. But all of these things you start when you start developing yourself, when you get started, and then you figure out this, or I do this, I improve my lighting, and then I improve my cameras and everything. And because that's how the process starts, okay? Without big budget, what if I could start online business today without a big budget? You could. Without a fancy tools or even equipment, without knowing everything, without even knowing your purpose online. But I mean, what if the thing that is stopping you isn't the money, but is actually hesitation itself, okay? What if the reason that make you stuck is because you're waiting for permission? No one is coming to save you. No one is going to give you the purpose, to learn the purpose on your lap. What is stopping you from starting is that YouTube channel, okay? Online page, or even online product, digital product. That idea that you keep thinking about it, 2 a.m. or many times throughout your life, is the fear of being judged, the fear of negative comments, fear of failing, fear of being kind of like not enough. But here's the truth that no one tells you. Most people don't fail because they are really, really bad. They fail because they never started. And if you are that person at the moment, please make sure that you get started, whatever passion you have, because the purpose won't just come and land in your lap. The passive income that you've always admired to have doesn't come from perfection. It comes from consistency. It comes from a messy. You know, I mean, like a lot of people out there, you don't have to figure it all out. Okay, clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from doing. It comes from doing a lot of things over time. And imagine this, where you could 1 year from now, where could you be 1 year from now if you just took the first step today? 1 year of uploads, 1 year of learning, and even 1 year of showing up, even if it's messy, imperfect, but consistency. But you wouldn't recognize yourself. And I believe that if you actually start with what you have, and you start where you are, and you start before you feel ready, and your first YouTube video won't be perfect, trust me. Your first idea won't be the one that you wanted. Your first attempt won't go viral. And I believe that a lot of people don't start because of these hesitations. But if you feel kind of like, if you start, you will find your purpose out there. But if your first step changes, everything will change at the same time. You don't have to be great, you have to start to be great. And if this video helped you in any way, please drop the comment on the starting below, because you don't need to jump, you just need to get started first, and then everything will follow automatically.